3 things to consider when building a data warehouse. Let's talk about it. Hi, my name is Jath, and I'm a part of the SAP Cloud Platform pre-sales team. Data is everywhere. It seems with every turn you are presented with a statistic. And when it comes to your business, you want the same thing. You want the ability to make data-driven decisions. The first step towards creating that data-rich environment is to build a data warehouse as an informational repository for your business. Here are 3 things to consider along the way. First, your data. Do you have access to it today? And if so, is it accurate and complete? If your answer to any of these questions is no, these are your first challenges. If your data is incomplete or inaccurate, it won't be used. Or worse, it will lead to bad business decisions. Second, the analytics. How do your users want to consume data? Some users will want a self-service dashboard, others will want an output into Excel, and some will just want a simple operational report. Design is important, and you will want to design your data warehouse in such a way that your users are given the insights they need in a way that works for them. Third, the performance. Will your data warehouse handle the analytical workload of your business? Some users require by the second up-to-date data. And for those users, it's important that the platform have the power to handle both the computational workload and the development workload. Nobody likes to wait. Now, if you've made it this far into the video, you're probably thinking, hey, SAP seems to know what they're talking about. And that's true. We've helped many customers along this journey. SAP's data platform is as agnostic as they come. It can connect to any data source regardless of data type. On top of that, it will help you organize and enrich your data so that you're feeding real-time insights wherever, whenever. Our platform is built with scalability in mind. It empowers your IT team to keep pace with your business. So if I've piqued your interest, head over to the Cloud Platform website and learn more about our data platform. And if you want to get your hands dirty, check out the SAP HANA service trial. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.